How to log out of Viber on both Android and iOS. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, let's open the Viber app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Viber account. Once you open the Viber app on your mobile device, simply tap on the three dot icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the Viber settings. Just so you know, Viber does not have a simple logout button, but you can clear your account by following our steps here. Now simply go back to the home screen and long press on the Viber app and delete the Viber app from your mobile device. Now what happens is Viber does not have a built-in feature of logout, but once you delete it and reinstall it, you will have to log into your account again, which is simply a logout in alternative process. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.